In this video, we're checking out the 5 best portable table saws for woodworking and job site use. Unlike big stationary table saws or cordless models, these portable saws give you the perfect mix of power, accuracy, and easy transport. Whether you're into DIY projects, professional carpentry, or home renovations, these portable job site table saws are built to handle a variety of cutting needs. Stick around, and we'll help you find the best portable table saw that fits your work, style, and budget. At number 5 is the Metabo HPT 10-inch portable table saw. This saw is a powerhouse with a 15-amp motor that keeps the blade spinning strong at 4,500 RPMs, which means it won't slow down even when cutting through tough hardwood or thick plywood. What really makes this saw stand out is its large table size and best-in-class rip capacity, over 35 inches to the right and over 22 inches to the left of the blade. That wide cutting area lets you work on bigger sheets or longer boards without needing extra support or multiple passes. The blade height and angle controls are conveniently placed right on the front panel, making it easy to make adjustments without bending or reaching awkwardly. The fold and roll stand is built tough and stable, so you get the feel of a full workshop saw, but with portability. The stand also locks firmly when in use, reducing wobble and improving cut accuracy. If you do a lot of large woodworking projects or need a reliable saw that you can move between workshops, this one fits well. It's heavier than some portable saws, weighing close to 60 pounds, so if you prioritize absolute lightness, this may not be your first pick. But if you want power, stability, and a big working surface in a portable package, the Metabo HPT is a great fit. Number 4 is the Milwaukee Cordless Table Saw, perfect for anyone who needs true cordless freedom. Powered by an 18-volt battery, it offers strong cutting capability without being tied down by cords or extension cables. This makes it ideal for outdoor jobs, remote work sites, or quick tasks around the house where running a cord would be a hassle or a safety concern. The blade is made of high-speed steel, which can handle cutting wood and even some metals, making it more versatile if your projects include plumbing or metal framing. The saw is compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry from place to place. The trade-off here is battery life. Depending on the size and density of your material, you may need to recharge or swap batteries for longer jobs. Milwaukee's batteries are well known for durability, but having a second battery is recommended if you want to avoid downtime. The saw's build quality is solid, and it comes with a 5-year warranty covering parts and workmanship, which gives peace of mind if you use it regularly. If you want a portable saw that lets you work anywhere without worrying about power outlets, and if you sometimes need to cut metal as well as wood, this is an excellent choice. At number 3 is the Bosch GTS 15-10 Portable Job Site Table Saw. This saw strikes a great balance between professional power and user-friendly features. Its 15-amp motor spins the blade at about 3,800 RPMs, providing clean and precise cuts on hardwoods, plywood, and composite materials. The saw includes a convenience brake that stops the blade within about 3 seconds of switching off. This enhances safety and speeds up workflow by reducing wait time. The table includes clamp zones where you can attach clamps directly to the surface for holding down smaller pieces, turning the saw's top into a mini workbench for light-duty tasks. The open frame design with a roll bar and lightweight construction makes the saw durable yet portable. A soft start circuit eases the motor into running, preventing sudden power surges that could trip breakers or cause jerky starts. The saw's speed is electronically regulated, so the blade keeps spinning steadily even when cutting dense or thick materials, which helps you get smooth, accurate cuts without bogging down. What really makes this saw shine is its portability. The hoe, included gravity rise-wheeled stand, lets you set up and break down the saw quickly, and you can wheel it around easily on rough terrain or stairs. This saw is ideal for woodworkers or contractors who move between job sites often, want excellent safety features, and still need professional-grade cutting power. At number 2 is the SKIL 15-amp 10-inch portable job site table saw with folding stand, model TS6307. This saw is a favorite for homeowners and beginners who want dependable performance without overcomplicating things. The powerful 15-amp motor handles cutting through standard lumber and plywood smoothly. One of the standout features is the rack and pinion fence system. It keeps the fence perfectly parallel to the blade and allows fast, precise adjustments, so your cuts come out straight without guesswork. The folding stand built into the saw's frame is a huge convenience. You can fold the legs up for easy transport or storage, which is perfect if your workspace is tight or you need to move your saw between garage, workshop, or job site. Saw has a 4x4 cutting capacity, so you can rip through common framing lumber at a standard 90-degree angle. It also allows bevel cuts between 0 and 45 degrees with quick-release stops, which means you can easily make angled cuts for trim or furniture projects. Cleanup is easier thanks to a dust port elbow that directs sawdust into a vacuum or bag, reducing mess. This saw fits best for DIYers, homeowners, and small contractors who want solid cutting power in a portable, easy-to-use package without extra bells and whistles. And finally, at number 1 is the DeWalt Compact Portable Job Site Table Saw, model DWE7485. This saw is perfect for anyone who wants a highly portable tool but doesn't want to sacrifice power or precision. The 15-amp motor delivers enough force to rip through full 4x8 plywood or OSB sheets, with a rip capacity of just over 2 feet, making it versatile for both big and small projects. The compact size means you can carry it easily, or store it in tight spots without hassle. It features rack and pinion telescoping fence rails that let you adjust the fence smoothly and accurately, ensuring straight cuts every time. Another practical benefit is the onboard storage system that keeps the guard, fence, wrenches, and miter gauge all stored neatly on the saw itself. This prevents losing parts and makes setup faster. The metal roll cage base adds durability, so it can handle rough job site conditions without damage. Its Site Pro modular guarding system allows tool-free guard adjustments, so you can quickly switch between safety setups depending on your cut. For safety, the saw includes a power loss reset feature. If there's a power outage, the saw won't automatically restart when power comes back on, helping to avoid accidents. This saw is ideal for professionals and serious DIYers who want a lightweight, portable saw that delivers reliable power and precision, plus quick adjustments and convenient storage. Thanks for watching. Hopefully, this rundown of the best portable table saws helps you find the right fit for your projects, whether you need power, portability, or precision. If you have any questions or want to share your experience with these saws, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and helpful gear picks. See you in the next video.